Well, hello my little beauties and welcome back. We're about to move on to the business end of this app, so that means CRUD, create, read, update, delete. And one thing's for sure, if you're going to be doing that, then you're going to be doing some kind of API shenanigans. Now I've been thinking about this. It's a funny old thing, because all of the Angular tutorials that I've checked out don't use any kind of meaningful APIs. They all use either these kind of dummy fake APIs or some kind of API simulation thing from the web or something. And anyway, I was thinking, why not just do a real API for all it's worth, right? So that's what we're going to do over this next couple of videos. We are going to create a real API and then we're going to use it for our Angular app. So to do this, we're going to be using Loopback, okay? So if you head over to loopback.io, you'll see the vibe here, and what we want to do is copy this vibe here, and then head over to somewhere where you like. I'm just going to use the desktop, I'm going to create a folder called test underscore API, doesn't really matter. And now, using the terminal, I'm going to navigate into this folder, okay? And then do you remember the command that I was saying here we've got from loopback.io? Here it is here. What you want to do, folks, is head in here, but you want to say sudo and then paste this in. If you don't do that, you'll have error messages. So sudo, and then we do that, chuck in our password, there we go. Yeah, when you don't do the sudo vibe, it's like, permission denied and all of that. It's a bit of a drag, So that's the vibe. I am installing the Loopback CLI command line interface. Anyway, this is all a bit boring, so I'll just speed things up a bit. Ah, well, there was no need. I never even had to. Right, okay, cool. So there we go, the thing is installed, and thank you very much indeed. Let me just do that. Right, okay, yep, I'm inside the thing. Good, okay, right, just calm down, take a deep breath. Right, we created a folder, test API. The folder is empty. We navigated into the folder rather pointlessly because we installed the Loopback command line interface globally. Can you handle the vibe? Okay, then to create our Loopback app, we just say LB and return. Okay, well, and it's going to ask a few questions. I'm just going to return all the way. So return, and return, and there we go. So now it's doing its magic. Okay. Yes, it's doing its thing. I don't think it takes too long, so I'm not going to fast forward. We're almost at the end of this video, actually. Well, there you go. It's finished. And if we ever want to start this server up, we just say node dot. And it's saying browse your REST API at this URL. So I'm going to copy that. And I'll head up here. Okay, and there you go, a fully fledged API rocking and rolling. Join me in the next video and we'll set up some models and whatnot and have this doing something meaningful. I'll see you then.